guys, this is part 2 of the Hellshire community tour. Alright, so basically just go inside the community and just show you what kind of homes they have here. Alright, and so far I see people, yo, them houses are massive. Alright, that's all I want to know is. I gotta check out this side first. Alright.
Take a look on this one. Look on the size of this one. Yo, this look like it have about 12 rooms and 12 bathrooms. Wow. This is definitely a nice looking one.
Yo, that one is massive. Yo, some people in Jamaica have money, you know, but say, yo. Who's the money in Jamaica?
You can definitely tell by looking at these that these are not overnight homes. People them go overseas or even here in Jamaica and them come back and them build them big, nice, bossy looking house, well stretched out, 12, 15 rooms. Yo, the place them just look crazy big, people.
I want to just catch the pretty one, them, and I want to catch every single house around it. I want to just focus on the one that look big and modern. I want to catch everything. But I look modern or not, right? I just want to get the idea of what kind of homes around here. So see our next one, nice looking home. So I'm gonna work on. You have some, I'm gonna say, you're not gonna just find the big one them alone. You have the one floor one, and you're not gonna just find upstairs, downstairs. Alright, so check out a few of the ones around here. No lie, still part 2 video I have some much bigger homes. This one is definitely nice. More land space. Alright, so the house, I have to check out the front because I can't believe that this is a house right here in Jamaica. It's this big. So this one is the first one I just showed you guys, but it was on the back. So this is basically the front of it. It's on the front. Okay. See this? Our apartment this. Alright, so it's an apartment complex. Alright. So I have a few apartments around here. Whoa! Yo, look on the one of people. Chaja. I want a big already, and you can tell so them I work on the top of it, go all the way up again. Roger. This one is definitely nice, people. I know I can't see the whole light right now through my camera, but Just take my word for you, people. It is a massive. I think right now this looks like the biggest house me ever check out right now, based on part one and part two. But when I check out the whole of the house in the area, some can't even tell. But so far, the one here is massive, people. This is massive. I don't know how long that one you do, but it look like kind of put a pause on it. Right now, the people in my overseas, I put it on hold. I just say go sometimes. Nice looking. I see it from the side, people. That is it from the side. And you can tell, so I'm gonna work on the back section. I'm gonna go all the way up. I know I'm gonna go all the way up in the sky. Another one right there, so. One of those modern looking styles. Homes. Place here, make sure you fence up the place, man. The place in the big road. See another one over that side. I don't know, close, we can't get to that one to show now. Well, there's a lot of them around this side. See a lot of unfinished ones as well. I don't know if it's an apartment tower. People have money to build as big as they want. If you have the money, why not build? Some people look at it. This one is nice as well. This one is nice. Set up local flowers and everything. Alright, so this look like this is the apartment for Flex. Alright, so I check out the last house right here. And then, oh, them have a nice. Some more houses around us. This one is nice. Alright, nice looking fence and everything. See a nice white one around that side. I think at the end, not sure I can't see fully around that side. And so from the side, oh, and a lot more land space. Oh, and massive as well. This one is massive. You ready, Rudy? Can you take back on the main? Can you go back on the main through the Rudy? Or is that dead end? Alright. Shortcut?
Yeah, right there.
I don't want to take no shortcut and I don't want to bleed, you know. Alright, so. YouTube. I want to look massive and nice though. It's the sides.
Of course, you're gonna find a couple of these homes where been here, that seem like you've been here for a good while, but you know, and everybody I got built on the most.
People, may I be honest with you, it look like a never-ending thing. Everywhere we turn, it's like a nice, big house. And it's like the whole of Hellshire, just so them look. When it look nice, we don't want to go too far still and you know, in privacy. Show them when I'm from far. Some people just so them stay and like them privacy, man. So far I don't want to be. Alright, hopefully you can see. Alright. Alright. When I like it start a good while now, up on hold. I don't want to cross from it. I work on it right now, come can't hear the work I go on. I have a big man.
See them I do some work on the one there right now. Oh, this look like about 3 floors. Yeah, the people them now play around this, you know.
Alright, so now I go too far up that side. You know. See which part of the area cover. Alright, Tone Crescent. Alright, I'll just stop right there, so then we'll see if I'm seeing more houses down here. If not, let's make a U-turn. Sun not still enough, people. I don't know when we just start off, it's like it did look overcast. But the sun come out crazy. Some building are going on that side. Some marble clothes. There's some like them privacy, so I had a fence on it. There's a big one right as well. Jamaicans love themselves some big house. I mean, man, if you have the money, man, you build it, man. You have one life to live. You can't build a dream house, you build it. The next angle. Alright, so not going down that section. Don't want to go that far, so I gotta just make a U-turn and go back on the main. Again, a lot of land spits. And people, if you don't reach this far in the video, just please, man, I'm begging you, just put a like on the video. Alright? Please. Just put a like, just click the like button. Alright? And just subscribe to the channel, man, and show me some support, man. Alright? So I'm out there walking in a hot sun. Woo. Oh, so the house, whenever wow, go too close, hopefully you can see it from here. Right, this is the side of it. Alright, it's the side of the unfinished house here. House like a big man. And it look like it have about 12 rooms. And it look like it have about 12 rooms and 12 bathrooms. Yeah, man. Watch it. Nice wooden gates. You know, I like the wooden gates over the regular metal one. Them. I don't know, let's give the house a different kind of personality. Again, land space. Alright. Alright, so this was the area to start from. Even though I never come around here before, people, me a Jamaican, I can't get lost. Jamaican and Kingstonian mixed together, man. Can never get lost. Alright, so I already passed the money already. I wanna look nice to the modern. Alright. So.
Alright, so I'm going on the other side. So I'm finished on this side, even though I didn't get to check out all of the homes them on this side. People, I tell you, it would take the video like a whole entire, I think I probably like 3 hours. I don't want that, right?
That's the main road.
So I have to keep the video short. So I'll be heading on the other side. I think there's a lot more nice homes on that side. Not saying the ones that we just checked out were bad, but I think there are nicer homes, like bigger homes on the other side. I think I can find anything as big as the one here where I pass right now, but some nice looking homes as well are on the other side. So I can check out that right now.
Going in this direction. This here is called, let me see this, Edge Hill Boulevard. Alright. So I'm going to this area right now. Some of these homes not even know if kind of homes are apartment complex. This is definitely a house. It's an apartment complex. This one is definitely nice. Nice green grass on the outside. Over this side is much closer to the waters. Me not do that, man. I tell you, definitely not. Them time, yeah, especially in Jamaica. Crazy. You have to go vacate your house and them something there. Oh, sorry. I tell them, some brand new doors. And they're definitely security doors on the top. Can't see them still have on the wrap. Garage doors and everything. Some work on one rider, so. So that's Cedar Avenue. Afraid about that. Can't tell. Security doors. Can't just barge in with them one there. So, nice looking one. Ooh. Alright, nothing else. Street name. I shall take it. This one should take you back to the main road, but we're not going to wait here. Not going that way. Alright. it's Hemlock Road. Hemlock. I'm check out that one because I don't want to keep me in the comment section. That's the front part there. Alright. Ooh. Definitely a nice looking one. Back up some more so I can see it. Nice looking one right there. Alright, so that was this little section is called Redwood Rose. Hopefully you can see it. Alright. It's definitely nice. Again, land. Even though if it's sale, next house that look nice right there. So. On a big steel on the front side. So I let them all work on that one then. Alright, the one here look like basically the basement section of the door already. So what I call that here, basement, so them know. Even though you see the steel everything, them know. I can put on hold for now. Yeah, that's ground level alone. Nice looking one right there, so. And you can tell, so the view is nice for that one here. Imagine it up on the top floor and look down upon this people. No one probably can't see it, but me I tell you it's a nice view. the street name? Guango Street. It's at Guango Street. Nah, go too far. People in the road. I never know, I might see them something I don't and checks on them the door and they inside lock up. Know them type of people. Nice looking one, so. And the fence, glass. Not going too far, another one here. Street in here, Ebony close. I'm gonna do some work on the house I'm over there, so. The other one already, so. Work on the one right now. Can't see them gonna build something ready, so. One we just passed a while ago. So one in the works ready, so. Sun kicking to them, man. I talk about the sun always kicking up out, man. Especially Hellshire. for now. Eh? Tell some I go up on top of the one, basically the basement, and leave it already. I see it on this side. There's cash at terrace. That's much I bet to them people overseas. Come in the comment section, people. Much I bet to them people overseas. But the look blocks them and thing. This thing look good. Look. Everything will come together. Like I try to show you all of the house and Hellshire. Honest, land yourself? Over yourself? Alright. Alright.
So I must say it's not selling, already owned by the property owners across from it. So them just clear it up. Right, so but some other place around it some must be selling. We just I don't know, I'm gonna get to see the right person if they ask them.
I want to look like it path for some time now, so the place is bush up. And I got massive too. It's the end of the road. Alright everybody, so we basically reached the end of the video. Alright, so that was the end of this section. I mean, there's a lot more homes around the area, but people can't walk out the whole of Hellshire. Alright everyone, so we basically reached the end of this area. At the end of the house, that's the end of this area. There's a lot more homes here in Hellshire, but I can't walk out the whole of Hellshire, people. So I'm gonna leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to continue some more of these tours in Hellshire or some other place in Jamaica. Alright, so just leave it in the comment section. And do remember to like the video and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. So guys, until next time, peace.